Range, 300 miles on a full charge. Design, bold, futuristic exterior with a minimalist interior and spacious cabin. Technology, advanced safety features including forward collision warning and lane keeping assist. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 is a futuristic electric SUV that delivers impressive performance, affordable pricing, and cutting-edge safety features. Its spacious interior and futuristic design make it a standout option for eco-conscious drivers. Longer range and faster charging. The latest battery technology means longer ranges and faster charging times. Many of the best electric SUVs in 2025 will offer over 300 miles of range on a single charge, with fast charging stations cutting down on charging time. Eco-friendly materials. Sustainability is key, and manufacturers are using eco-friendly materials like vegan leather, recycled fabrics, and sustainable finishes in their vehicle interiors. Tech integration. From self-driving capabilities to AI-powered infotainment systems, the tech inside 2025's best electric SUVs is more advanced than ever, with systems that learn your preferences and make driving easier and safer. Luxury and performance. The electric SUV market in 2025 is all about combining performance with luxury. These vehicles don't just offer eco-friendliness, they offer a thrilling, comfortable, and high-tech driving experience. Affordability. As the EV market grows, affordability continues to improve. In 2025, you'll find more budget-friendly options in the electric SUV category without compromising on quality. Title. In 2025 are no longer just a novelty, they are becoming the for consumers who need power, performance, and sustainability. With advancements in battery technology, these trucks are now offering long ranges, incredible towing capacities, and cutting-edge technologies, making them the perfect choice for those who demand both strength and eco-consciousness.